fish. Hey, let me try that.
TV is melting your brain. Idiot! Come over here. Your bed is covering this. Alright. I give up. Good. If you live there, you're not gonna watch TV though. But you would live there. You would live there. Live there. I want to see this. Because I want to see it. But this is melting your brain. I really want to watch this for real. Bye.